Did you hear them on the Contrarian News Bubble channel talking about the flush? We got to get the flush. You know what the flush is, right? Flushing your money down the toilet. How about flushing your time? That's the Contrarian News Bubble channel for you. We showed you the open. We were up a couple of grand, a couple hours into the market. Then we went short on the 5 minute NQ. We were up a couple of grand that way. We're currently 4 minutes long. 4 minutes. We're up 240, 250 going into the close. $200 a day, you make 4 grand a month. 300, 6 grand. 400, 8 grand. 500, 10 grand. One contract, one market. You want to follow trend lines? All the power to you. You want someone else? You want to follow a tweet on an intraday trade? All the power to you. I could not. How could I, in 4 minutes, interpret this, run over to my other computer, tweet something out? By the time I typed it, you'd be $200 behind the curve. That wouldn't be right. There's 400. We're 2 minutes. Got no reason to come out, but we've had a great day, a great week, and I'm feeling a little on the greedy side. But I'll let this percolate a little. We're 1.5 minutes into YouTube. I only have 10 minutes, so I'm not going to be in this trade more than 10 minutes because I want you to see us take it out. Here's the NQ market. Here's the 1 minute. Here's the signal long on a 5 minute. So we've been in the trade 5 minutes. We got a little jump on the market here than the machine, so we're to the good. Most people experience slippage. We get it in advance. Now we can manage it. We're strongly up. Combined trend. Trending up. Pressure up in the longer term. Here's all the buying. Then we immediately follow with the 2 minute. Now our contract's on. But the 2 minute is now given a long entry. So all the 2 minute traders, they're like, uh-oh, we better cover. And then the 5 minute was short, was up quite a bit. But it's ripping back against the short. It's squeezing them. Okay, so I'm going to stay with this trade a little bit, purely to let you watch. Okay, even if it costs me a couple $100, I'm definitely going to make money on this, even if it's only $5, because I'm not going to lose. I have safeguards loaded in. Once it hits a certain threshold, it cannot lose. We never, ever, ever let a position hit our upside threshold and let it turn into a loser. It is impossible. Machined. Okay? Machined. But I'll let you watch. Now, everything else are other markets. I mean, we're only trading one market. We like to trade 7 markets. The total is 7. But we're not in 7 all at the same time, unless the machine is auto trading 2 or 3. And can you use this for options? Yes, absolutely. We did this morning. We called it out to our members. We put a put option on this morning on the SPX at 27.95, and we closed it for a 50% profit. That paid $1,000, and we've been trading intraday here. So today's going to be a fairly comfortable day, 2 to 3 grand, somewhere around there. But again, $200 a day is 4 grand a month. $300 a day, 6 grand. 400, 8 grand. 500, 10 grand. Now, I'm not saying we make $2,000 to $3,000 a day every single day. Sometimes we make more. But it means I can take a couple of days off if I want to and go play some golf, do a little fly fishing, get a little exercise, get away from it all. I don't have to draw trend lines. I can just sit on my ass and watch the swing machine tell me what to do. One contract. I have a lot of healthy respect for leverage. As a diver, yes, we get certified at 100 feet, but I don't go out and dive 100 feet all the time. Could we? I suppose. You know what? 25, 30 feet of water, It's fine for me. Now you can still drown in 25, 30 feet of water if you're not trained and PADI certified and know what to do. But I can still see the surface, and I think I can get myself to the surface, pretty darn quick if I had to get some help. And so I don't increase leverage. What I might increase is my patience, especially with a winning trade. But we don't increase leverage. And we don't get impatient. Just try to you got to let things, percolate a little. And so we're 5 minutes into this YouTube, and the trade's still cooking. And where things could get a little crazy. We've had a big sell down this week, and we could get a lot of buy stops here. Now we get up to $500-600, and I've been in this. Let me explain. This is counting the minutes. This is 9 1-minute segments. This is 3 2-minute segments. So this has been 9 minutes. This has been 6 minutes. This is the price we went in on either one of them. We went in on the 1 minute though. This is the exact time. This is the strong trend, even down to a 1 minute. Imagine that. You'd go nuts trying to watch this on a chart. Insane. Trending up, trending up, trending. There's the $400. 4.25. Thank you. I'm Bag of Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. I am going to be in my office much of this weekend working on a whole bunch of projects, making Swing Machine even better, even easier, and adding value. One of the things that we do for our members, whenever you join, whatever the price is at that time, for however long we're doing this, which hopefully is years to come, God willing, that we will never increase your price. Today, the base membership is $100. Level 2 membership is $400. The Level 2 membership, you get everything the base member gets, which is at minimum, let's see, it's 6 days, 5 days a week. We do 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours, so it's almost like about 30 hours of market analysis every month, detailed trading analysis to affect trades, not, I think the markets are going to be at 20,000 in 3 years from now because of interest rates. None of that bullshit. Okay, none of that. Actionable, decisive, looks at our software that, decision-making software is the way I would put it, not my recommendations. Excuse me, I had to sneeze. Then, for Level 2, they get a live shot of our Swing Machine intraday. Trade it any way you want, but we coach you in the beginning, teach you how. And in addition though, all of our proprietary indicators, all of our proprietary strategies, and everything else is included in that Level 2 membership. So the most you can pay Bag of Don, the most is $500 a month. Now, is that expensive? It's a lot of money. It is. Almost a car payment. But does a car pay you back? So if you join in the first month and you don't make any money in the market after, us sharing with you how to do it, and in fact, we recommend that you do it in Sim, because if you can't make money in Sim, you can't make money live. So we really recommend that you do that. We can't promise that everyone's going to make money, but if you make money in Sim and then move to live, and after a month you don't make any money, well then, that $500 is, yes, it's expensive and you can cancel. I mean, just don't do it anymore. There's no long-term commitment here. It's month to month. But if you do well in the market, then that $500, in terms of the value that we provide, we think you'll look at it as fairly cheap, fairly inexpensive, just the cost of doing business. So we're wrapping up here. We're 10 minutes into this YouTube, and I said we would stay within 10 minutes. So there it is. Boom. We just made 300 bucks in less than 10 minutes. $300 a day, 20 days, that's 6 grand a month. I'm bragging on Stock Market Caddy. I'll be around the office all weekend. In fact, this is the deal. You call my cell phone, I don't care when it is, day, evening, night, 24/7. If I'm available, I'm going to answer that phone, and I'll be happy to talk with you. Sometimes I talk with people for an hour, and they never, they just, decide, hey, this isn't even for me. That's okay. 813-758-8263. Have a great weekend. Good luck. We'll be here. The time is now.